Okay, so today I was like walking down the street and stuff, and like this dude was like driving, and he was like honking at me, and I wasn't even doing anything, and he was like giving me the finger or something like that, and it was like something like this, like, or something, I can't remember, like, hey, or something like that. And I was like looking at him, and I was just like standing there and staring at him, like, why was he honking at me? And I was like so mad. Like, I don't know why people like honk for no reason. Like, honking is for emergency purposes only. But yeah, but then here how it went. Okay, I will show you. Okay. Vroom, 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 vroom. What the heck is he doing? What the heck is he doing in there? Standing in there, walking so slow. Hey, hurry up! Hurry up in there! I have to go get my wax my face. Hey! What? What'd you say? My shoelace is untied. Oh, thanks. 1 second. Thank you. What's he doing? It's very rude. How did that go? Not too good. You saw how he like reacted. He was like, tie your shoelace or something like that. I cannot hear what he was saying because of all that hair in his face. But it's a good thing that he told me to tie my shoelace, because then I would have like tripped over my shoelace or something. But next time, make sure that if you have a car, to use the honk for emergency purposes only, and if it's really necessary.